My name is Vincent Batten. I'm working at the Walloon Agricultural Research Center. It's a public body center located in Belgium, at the south of Brussels. And I'm responsible of the unit dealing with food and feed quality. And also I was invited by the Université Fédérale du Para in order to work with them in order to implement a laboratory based on spectroscopic method in order to assess the quality and the authenticity of products coming from the Amazonian basin. The idea is that they want to have themselves in their hand the ability to assess the authenticity and traceability, but also in broader sense the quality of the product coming from this region. And so why they want to do that, it's to maximize the benefit, the added value of the product they will sell. They sell a lot of this product to Europe or United States. They have a new product coming with plant extract rich in the bioactive, but they want to assess the quality, to assess the authenticity before it go out. This is something very important for them, and so that's where we are working. And if we are working with there, because we are in Belgium, it's also because we have more than 25 years experience in the development of spectroscopic methods in order to be able to assess the quality of the product. The nice thing about this method is that you can apply in different parts of the food chain, and now you have very portable instrument, very cheap one, that you can use very close to the product. And so this is our idea. We want to bring the laboratory to the sample. We want that the technique, the different methodology developed by scientists is used in the daily basis by the producer in order to assess the product. For instance, one of the applications we are looking for is that there is a lot of product coming from plant-based, from leaves, let's say. But what they do is they ask to producer to go to the forest and to pick up some leaf of very specific species. And so we want to develop methods that are able there when the leaves are coming to the small factories and to check if it's the right species, but rapidly and on the basis of individual leaf. And so we look to method, to spectroscopic method, also to classical method, just a cell phone can be helpful also there to have the morphological characteristic of the leaves, and then to use that partly in order to characterize it. So we try to bring sometimes complicated stuff, complicated technique, very close to the samples, where we think that as the early stage in the process, you can have method that assess the authenticity. It will be very helpful with the traceability system to prevent fraud, and also to be able to assess that at the end the product is what it has to be. Because in the food supplement, the problem we have, there is a lot of powder that we can buy in supermarket, but we need to be able to assess what there is in it. And most of the time, it's only a part of the plant that has to be used. And so it's very important that in all the food chain there, for this kind of product, you have way to control that is really what you expect to have in the product at the final stage. We are not developing technology, we are using what is existing. Because one of the main force of the Walloon Agricultural Research Center is that we work a lot on databases. We have big databases with near-infrared spectra, for instance, and reference value. And our job is to calibrate the new system. There is, I would not say each week, but nearly each month you have a new spectroscopic instrument on the market available, cheaper and cheaper with different technology. But at the end, it's always the infrared spectra that you generate, or part of it. And the most important thing is how to use it, how to calibrate. You receive a signals, and then you have to give an answer. And so we are working a lot on there, and for that we are applying different chemometrics methods for that.